Pretty little black skin girl. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
Hey, my chocolate babies. So, I'm going to get my hair pulled out right now. Oh my god, I didn't even introduce myself. Hey guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate. Today I don't really know what I'm going to be vlogging about, but I'm in Glengarth, so a bit excitement. I was going up on the road, so I'll just vlog a day in my life, a realistic day in my life. Basically, went to get my hair pulled out, and then I don't think I'm going to wash it until it's soon. It is getting close for the reopening of school, because I want to go to beach on Saturday, and if I wash my hair now, the salt water and everything is going to go in it. Guys, I never went to the beach without my hair combed, and this time I'm just going to put my hair in an afro or just do something simple with my natural hair and actually swim and enjoy myself. I always go in braids, lace, wig, some hairdo, but this time I'm going to try and keep in my ego, because my ego make me know how to do my hair now, because I don't feel like a bad baddie without my hair being done and this and that. But this time I'm going to try my best and keep my natural hair out. Right? So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when a girl dipped in chocolate uploads another video. Right now I'm basically walking to my friend's house because I do not know how to cut these locks, because if I cut these locks, I'm going to cut my natural hair, and my natural hair is growing and I do not want to cut it, so I'm going to her house now to get it cut. Right? So maybe when I go down there we can do like a challenge. We can do a YouTube challenge, either a spiced ramen challenge or some sit down video for you guys, so keep on watching. Guys, hey, big up Kiki. So tell them my Instagram.
I am fine.
Right, so you can go follow her, and that is again. My man knows some N-word. Look at miss that. So my ear done pull out thanks to Kiki. We're just going to go down our road now, and I don't know how to do anything because the day basically finished. We want to do a little challenge now, but the ear take up a whole lot of time. So yeah. So we're just going to see what the road are going with. Come here. No, son, done. Them boy don't got no Barbies. I'm gonna start getting me a Ashley. I'm a skin tone girl love candy. This is the next day. Tomorrow I want to go to it's basically a beach trip with my friends and her family members. So right now I'm walking to the shop to get something. But when I don't know if it's tomorrow morning before I leave, I'm going to try to install my wig, because you guys know that my hair is mad. So I have on the ball cap, but I'm going to install the wig tomorrow morning. I'm going to install the lash and my lashes tomorrow. But now we're in a Hapasan nails because I'm not a glue, but you know my mind never change. But if anything, I'm go wear the press on nails and show you guys what's up. But it's there, guys. Not much to do. Medyo po tayo China.
Oh, you love video. Then I'm gonna put people on
YouTube. Watch him. You see the pin them in the apple tree though, so them bad. But Tomorrow maybe basically I gotta do everything. So until tomorrow. Yes, I'm looking crazy. This is a 4x1 lace unit. I am trying to install it, but I'm trying to install it as a side part. It's supposed to be a middle part, but I'm trying the side part. So yeah, I have a band wrapped around it to keep down the lace. I'm trying to stick down the lace, yeah. So so I'll come back to you guys when you know it's done. I'll also be going to a setup tonight. This is my aunt's setup. Remember from the night? Yeah. So from we're gonna set up tonight. So stay tuned. Yeah, so this is how it looks. The little edge. So now I'm going to spray it up. I'm sure let's make it stay dry so. Come on and spray now. I'm gonna find somewhere to spray it up. But guys, I like how it look. I thought it would have looked so weird. This is the finished product. I thought it would look so weird, but it's so cute. Side part would definitely look so nice on me. Guys, I'm going to bring my water because I want to bring it. The lighter gone, so this is the outfit: shorts, Crocs. I never like to wear Crocs in a but.
Hello.
Guys, it's pulling up now. More people are coming. Yeah. Morning. This is the outfit. We'll be going to the beach today. But they are trying to get one drive and I'm coming now. I'm not about to walk so far from for go to no bus. So yeah, that'll come out. Me look good. Me know me look good. This is a mesh cover up and I have the bodysuit underneath. I was going to wear like a different swimwear, but the black looks better with this, so I just wore this with the black on the bodysuit.
If you want to
see,
watch those. Let me tell you. Better give me your glass. Give me four.
Alright.
Eternal, most righteous and everlasting God. James, I don't care about me. But change my name now. You are our director. You are God guidance.
Man, watch this. Me hear you can grind good and you can fight late. Come over me.
Come juice, come shoes, come shot. One liquor, one cup. Remember, me never know where from now. Big done said funny school compound.
So we did so we're on a little stop. It is a pee break. I remember what we did, guys, but I want place. In the same catching the same way still.
She know she say she a witch. Loyalty, me buy somewhere me ready. Them easy fi sell out the Muzi market.
The next up that's one song. How you make the top them done when you rap down. Somebody get eyes, somebody get eyes, not nice. Something up top, the beat, the back, come and the top. This is a Pentecostal fire. This is a Pentecostal fire. It was good enough to drop, but big up the girls, you be fat up a lot. When my girl, I don't care with that. So we know how to bend your back, and you know just how to.
Guys, I don't know where we're at now, but we're at a location. Looks like a secret location. I can smell the sea. Rawness. We had to leave from that location because they were overpricing us for the persons who were going to enter. They wanted $15,000 from us when we were the only one on the beach. So we went to Fantasy Beach instead. This is the food on the beach. Oh my god, it's so nice. Buffet style, guys. I think I cook food. I think I box food. Yeah, in a box, you know, but in a box food. I cook food. After the beach, we went to KFC to get something to eat. And the line was so full, so we went into Progressive supermarket and we got some things, and then we realized that we were hungry for KFC, so we went in back to KFC. The line was so full, but we got through after hours of waiting in the line. When I reached back home, I thought the night was going to be finished, but one of my friends hit me up and he was like, let's go, because he's going to fly out the other morning and he wanted to enjoy himself. So we went to a party after and we enjoyed ourselves. So continue watching.
Swing it on a phone with Makhalia shot. Brick a jack dung Holly shot. Easy. Money and lace, I'm a dad and my mission. Richer for the
Yeah, DJ, short Richard Beer.
I had to leave the party early because I was feeling tipsy, so this is the other day. I went to a local ice cream shop in my community, and then after I went to a football match. So this is a 360 of my old outfit and me eating grape nut ice cream. So that match has ended and they're now playing another match. I think this is Tony versus another football place. I believe that might do a man who play football or watch football. Because I like that where I come from. No, yeah. You're not paying a mind.